this video, I will be showing you how to add a time entry for another Lawft user. This is a useful feature if you're a paralegal and your attorney has asked you to add their time for them. And let's say they're tied up doing something else or they're stuck in court, but they want to reflect their time of what they've done. So beginning in the billing section of the case, we're going to start with manual time entries. And let's say we need to edit a time entry that's already been added. We're going to come to the right screen and click this little button that says Edit. This will open up and you will see an option under Build For. Click this drop-down menu and you can select a different user. So I'm going to bill this time under him and then come to the bottom right and click the blue button that says Update. If it is a new time entry, I'm going to click this blue button up here for Add Time Entry. And you can see the same feature, Build For, and select the user.